Alright guys, I'm out here today. I'm going to get rid of the factory vacuum boost assembly so I can get the driver's side fuel tank mounted on this, and I'm swapping the brake system over to a dual circuit Hydrovac system instead of a single circuit Hydrovac system. Now, originally this brake line here comes up from the master, or comes down from the master cylinder, comes in, and this in here has a diaphragm, and that diaphragm is powered by your engine vacuum through this hose. Comes into the backside here. So when you actuate your brake pedal, there's a big spring in here along with a rubber diaphragm, and that multiplies the pressure. And it exits it here, comes back up around the frame rail, back down through there, and it goes into a T, and one side of the T goes to your front brakes and the other side goes to the rear. So if you have a rotted out brake line or you blow a wheel cylinder, you pretty much lose all your brakes, which is not a good thing. Now, sometimes these brakes are to be desired. People have varying degrees of success with them. When they go through and they bleed the system, they always forget about that bleeder right there. That's the first one you have to bleed in the system. And then from there, you go to your farthest line, and you keep working your way back up from the farthest to the closest. So this guy's coming out completely. It's not going to be here at all anymore. I'll show you the original master cylinder on this. Now right there is the original single bowl master cylinder. See how it only has one line coming out? That's your brake system. This line here is your breather vent for your system. It just goes up to the cab. There's a filter on the inside, so you can tell if your vacuum booster is working. When you step on the pedal, you hear a puff of air in the cab. If you don't hear that, you've got an issue with your booster. So I'm gonna get all this cut out, disassembled, and I'll bring you guys back when I got the new fuel tank in. Alright, before I go and install the fuel tank here, picked up a plug, GM weather pack connector for the sending unit down here. So this way, when this is up underneath the cab, you're not having to fiddle around with it. There's a part number for this plug. This is the female end. You're gonna need a male end for the other side. And I personally prefer using the weatherproof type. You crimp them and then you heat them up with a little torch, and this heat shrinks itself around it.